Many students, and mostly all of the students, have appeared for the examination. So after appearing for the examination, oh, first of all the very best to all of you as you have appeared for the examination and must be waiting for the results. Yes, must be waiting for the results and enjoying the days, the after examination days of your life with the happy faces and giving more motivation that yes, I have free, yes, I have the time to do things, yes, I can do this thing, that thing, I can be a lazy person after the examination, yes, I can do more things after the examination. But the first point is what to do after examination. What I can do after examination, yes, I'll clear it out, yes, I'll pass it out, but how to spend these months of examination, how they spend the time, the gap in between your exams and results. So today I thought this is a much necessary thing, this is much necessary topic you all must know. All must know, you all are asking me that what to do now. We are free. What to do now? We have time. So first of all, think about it. Think about it. Exams are over, you have celebrated it for I think 7 to 10 days. I guess it's been 7 to 10 days your exams are over and you've already celebrated these days. But now what next? Now what next? You cannot devote much of your time in just celebration. You cannot devote much of your time by sitting lazy, by sitting idle. You cannot do that. So for that, firstly, analyze yourself. How was your exams? How was your exams? It went well? Yes? No. It was not as per my expectation. I need to work hard. Right? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, then you already know what you have to do in this time. You already know what you have to do in the gap. Because when you know about it that I haven't met my own expectations, I haven't met my own expectations, then how can you expect the results to be a good and better way? So if you are expecting it, yes, exams were okay, I got 40 marks, I got 44 marks, then my advice is to please start preparing it now. Don't waste the time duration of 2 months. Don't waste the time duration by thinking of hopefully I'll pass it out. Don't waste time. Start preparing for your exams from now. But on the contrary, if you're confident enough, if you appeared for the examination, if you passed it out, and you appeared for the both groups, right? And if you're confident enough, yes, I'll crack it. I'll crack it definitely for sure. Then you have many alternates to do. Then you have many things to pursue. Then you have the options that you want to follow. Then my advice is find out the area that fascinates you. Find out the area that you feel I have interest in this area. Find out that thing, that particular field you have interest or particular subject you think like that, yes, I'm interested in this or I can score well in this. That means that is your much interested area. If you, many students are like, I don't know where, what is my forte, what have the best areas I have. Then you have to check out the which is your favorite subject, which is the subject that you felt like that I'll score good marks in that. Most of the time you get good marks in that subject. That means this is the area you have interest and you can explore that area in well and better manner. So they've appeared for the examination, right? So now what you have to do, you have to explore new things in that area. Like if I'm very comfortable enough in law, I'm very comfortable enough in audits, I'm very comfortable enough in GST, but CA final syllabus or your curriculum, any curriculum you have, your curriculum won't teach you the advanced things. So for to learn the advanced thing, you need to check out that I have interest in that area. Now I need to learn about this area. I need to learn about the more areas and things about this thing, about this subject. So explore that thing by pursuing some courses, by joining some firm, by joining some agency, by joining some company to learn more things about it. You have 2 months, right? You don't need to waste it out. Don't need to waste it out. Join some firm, join some local firm just to gain the experience, and you have 2 months. If you will pass out, I definitely hope you will pass out by flying colors. And when you will pass out, then you can pursue the jobs. You have the experience in that particular area, so that you can go for better jobs, you can go for better areas, you can go for better interest, right? So don't waste this time, don't waste this 2 months by just sitting idle at home and thinking about, yes, I'll crack it, I'll crack it, I'll crack it. No. Utilize this time, utilize this area, utilize this wonderful thing, your leisure time, your lazy time in a better manner, and pursue the things in a very healthy way. So you can pursue the jobs, right? You can pursue the courses, you can join some firms and explore that area in a very good manner. Or it's not like that, you have to spend this 2 months only on work profile. You don't need to spend this area only on work profile. You can also enjoy, you can also enjoy, you can in between, not all the time, as I'm advising you to start some job profile in some firm, to start some certified courses, right? So apart from that, you can plan out something to travel around, not very far, because we all know this is a COVID time duration, yes. So we cannot travel across many times, yes. So what you can do is you can plan out some localized thing, you can plan out some nearby areas and enjoy the time, have a beautiful and wonderful time with the family, with friends, with your closed ones. Or you can pursue your hobbies you want to. You can join some courses of your hobby apart from your work profile. You can also join some courses for your hobby, like you are very active or very interested in the art and craft thing, you are very interested in some musician things, you are very interested in the dance classes and bhangra classes. Many people are there who are much interested in some dancing thing, yoga thing, fitness thing, yes. So you can join the multiple things, you feel the desire, you urge to learn, because now you have the time. So don't waste the time, utilize the time in a best possible manner. This view I have given is a very generalized one for everyone. This is not for a particular person. And as I have received the queries that what to do now, you're free, what to do now. Best way is to keep yourself happy. Best way is to visualize your career. Yes, visualize yourself in a position that I want to achieve this thing, and how to do it. When you will get this answer of how from yourself, why from yourself, you can pursue the things in a better manner. You will able to utilize the time in a better manner. So poor options, your exams are good, so very well done, congratulations. You can pursue the interest of your career, you can join something. If exams are so okay, then what you have to do is you have to restart your studies from right now, and no need to waste time at all. So I think that's all from my side, because I'm not giving a particular view to particular person. But yes, I can definitely advise you for the further elaboration if you want from my side. So yes, thank you so much. I think this is a much needed thing for you all, because exams are over. You are free now. You have the liberty to do the things you want to. Because even I was at my time, I was doing the same. So I want you to do the same and excel in your life. All the very best, best wishes to you all, and I'm very happy for you all that yes, you have appeared for the examination and will definitely score well.